welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this is my Bliss Kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a quick, easy, one-pot enchilada casserole. You're not gonna need the oven on this one. If you wanna know how to make this quick, easy, delicious recipe in no time flat, just stay with me and let's get started. All right, for our ingredients, I'm gonna use a cup of sharp cheddar and a cup of the queso quesadilla. 12 tortillas. These are corn tortillas here. I'm using a pound of ground beef. For my meat, I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of comino, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and I have 1/4 of an onion chopped, okay? And I'll be using that with my beef. Now for my sauce, I have a canned sauce. So with that, I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and I'm using Gebhardt, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, okay? And that's for your sauce. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and cut up our tortillas. I'm using 12, so it's like 3 enchiladas per person, okay? So what I do is I just cut them like I'm gonna do chips. So I'm gonna cut them into little triangles. I have the oil heating in my pan. Let's go to the stove. I have 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil just heating in here. I'm gonna get my plate lined with paper towels so it can absorb a lot of that oil. I'm doing the tortillas first since we're doing a one pot, okay? My oven wasn't working and I started doing my tortillas and it wasn't preheating, so I said, okay, this is what we're gonna do, and it came out fantastic in no time at all. So I'm excited to share this with you. We're just gonna let them heat up. You're gonna fry these a little bit longer because you want them a little firm, but you don't want them to turn to mush when you put them in your casserole, okay? All right, let's leave this here on a number 7. It's medium-high heat, and we'll come back and check it in about 2 minutes. See you back in a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and check these, okay? See how they're a little crispy? That's what we want. I'm gonna dump this over into a bowl, and now I'm gonna start with the ground beef. Okay, I'm gonna add my spices. And this is a very lean cut of ground beef. If you need to add some oil, go ahead and add. And I might need to just a little bit. All right. Now I'm gonna add my onion. I'm gonna mix it in there. Usually I mix it in there when it's already browned, but we're gonna do it this way so we can just, all the flavors married, okay? All right, I'm just gonna let this brown for a few minutes. I have the tortillas over here on the side, so I'm gonna leave this on a number 7 and just let this brown, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and open the canned sauce. To me, Gebhardt is the best, but they didn't have it, so we're just gonna doctor this up. And the garlic powder, the bouillon, chili powder, and mix. That tastes really good. All right, I'm gonna check on the ground beef and I'll be right back. All right, we're gonna go ahead and check the meat now. It is all browned and there's not, fat for me to drain. So what I'm gonna do at this time is I'm gonna add our tortillas. Go ahead and mix this all around. Now we're gonna add our sauce. Make sure everything is well incorporated. And I don't add any water to the mix. And then now you want to taste. I think that's perfect. Now we're gonna add our cheese. Okay. I'll go ahead and mix the rest. Just go ahead and even it out. Make sure that all the cheese is everywhere. I'm gonna put it on simmer. Add just a little bit more cheese as the topper. Okay, and then go ahead and cover it. Leave it on simmer for about 5 minutes until it's all bubbly and you're ready to serve. All right, see you back for the best part. Who needs an oven? All right, I'm gonna put this over into a serving dish and serve this up. Look at that, delicious. Get some rice. lettuce here, some salsita, and I'll have the recipe for the rice and the salsa down below. And there you have it, your one pot enchilada casserole. And now the taste test. Make you do the wiggle. Do the wiggle. The wiggle. That is so good. You don't need the oven. Your house stays nice and cool. One pot stop. So it was a pleasure cooking with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, from my blessed kitchen to yours, bye.
Con tus labios rosados, yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento, nadie más lo podrá saber.